Instead of you dying for a girl or wasting your time playing gamble, doing all sorts of rubbish, drinking, smoking, chasing girls, carrying problems, why not invest your time into business, skills? You have a lot of online skills to learn. You learn how to code, you learn how to create content, freelancer, other and skills are still there. And wasting your time with women, wasting your time drinking, playing around. You know, the funny thing is, after this stage of our life, you have a set of blame. You blame yourself all the days of your life. So I suggest start working now. You still have time. In your 20s, like 20 to 25, you still have time. Stop chasing women. Stop gambling. Stop smoking. Stop doing all manner of